One thing is very clear. If you look at the armed forces of India, all three services, they are facing shortages of manpower. On female aspirants, yes, this is going to be a positive step because they'll get money, they'll get head start, they'll be independent, they'll get skills from the military. So it's going to be very good scheme for female aspirants. Questions are being raised whether these people will take risk or will be risk averse. My belief is they will take risk. There will be a lot of competition. These are poor chaps who are coming from poor states. So they will take risk because they would want to make it into 25% permanent induction. So they'll take a lot of risk. But only risk, is it enough? They're supposed to deploy skills. For the 75% who discontinue, the skills that they have, would they be very valuable in market? It's a question mark. So the limited upward mobility they will have would be solved only if they are upskilled once they discontinue from the armed forces after completion of their tenure. We need Arjun to shape the battle. We need Krishna to guide Arjun to do his duty. However, youth like Abhimanyu can have energy, can be brave enough to break the Chakravyuh. But skills cannot be compromised because it is only with the skills that even Abhimanyu could have got out of Chakravyuh.